Back to our channel, friends. This is Sonia here, and do check out our YouTube channel for absolutely free tutorials. Now coming back to resin art, so आज हम बनाने वाले हैं resin art और आज हम alter करने वाले हैं स्टेन बॉक्स को. So इस पे मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ बहुत सारे resin embellishments which are there on our website. You guys can check. इस ट्यूटोरियल के मैं जो भी सप्लाईज यूज़ कर रही हूँ उनके लिंक्स मैंने वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी हैं. Now अब आप लेफ्ट साइड में जो भी देख रहे हैं, these are the collection of resin embellishments which can be used on your mixed media art, your decoupage art for making your name plates, your wall frames, decor and what not. So yes, definitely you guys can use them in a very creative way. अब इसको यहाँ स्टिक करने के लिए मैंने यूज़ किया अपना टैकी टेप एंड लाइक ऐसे जो भी सप्लाईज मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ उनके लिंक्स मैंने वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिए, आप चेक कर सकते हैं. सो अब इनको स्टिक करने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड different kind of adhesives. So I love using this tacky tape because it makes my work much more easier and faster. And once I've decided on that, तब उसके बाद अब हम यहाँ पर stick करेंगे हमारे embellishments. So initially I thought I'll add some frames and all, but then later on I like literally मैंने फ्लावर्स यूज़ किए हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट्स यूज़ किए हैं, शेप्स यूज़ किए हैं. दे लुक absolutely gorgeous. So I would suggest कि when you are buying the resin embellishments, try to have the variety of embellishments. That really helps in coming up with creative and different kind of projects which help in your decoration work. So just because मैंने यहाँ पर tacky tape लगाया है, my sticking work is much more easier. And trust me, if you want to add some liquid adhesive or anything, you can do that also. Now it is an option whether you want to cover up your complete space or you just want to leave it like that. So I absolutely love altering my tin jars and bottles with this alphabet so that it becomes beautiful, and then you can play around with the colors on the top of it. And these resin embellishments are so easy to break, like not break, but you can literally bend them. You can make it into different pieces and use it. Now just in case if you want to add a little more drama, you can always use your glue gun and add a lot of elements here. Like you will see me using my heat glue gun, and I'm going to add a lot of texture, and I'm also going to make sure that जो भी हमारे alphabets हैं, जो भी हमारे elements हैं, वो अच्छे से stick हो जाएं. So I'm just going to add some more texture with the help of my glue gun. This will have two-way effect. It is going to stick also, and it is also going to make sure that I have more of texture on my flat surface. So this is another way of giving texture to your base, and I really hope you guys like this video. Do try it out. If you are trying it out, do let me in the comment section कि आपका project कैसे बना. Now it's time to use our black color gesso. This is very important. Please आप acrylic paints use ना करें, otherwise it is just going to come out like that only. You have to make sure that you use your black color gesso. Now why black color gesso? Because I am going to use some very rustic shades, and I want to make it really colorful, little in a darker shades. So that is the reason I'm using my black color gesso. Otherwise you guys can also use your white color gesso. It's absolutely fine. So यहाँ पे मैं अपने बेस को पूरी तरह अच्छे से कवर करूँगी with black gesso. If you want, you can use 2 coats of gesso also. It's absolutely fine. Just you have to make sure कि आपका बेस पूरी तरह से covered हो, so that when you are playing around with your chalk paints, it works out beautifully. अब बारी है हमारी चॉक पेंट की. सो यहाँ पर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ अपना ब्लू कलर का चॉक पेंट, और ये ऑलमोस्ट ड्राई हो चुका था. सो आई हैव जस्ट एडेड सम वाटर टू इट, एंड वंस आई एम डन विथ माई मिक्सिंग द कलर, आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई इट ऑन माई बेस, एंड यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस लुक्स. सो ये बहुत सिंपल टेक्निक है. दिस इज़ जस्ट ड्राई ब्रश टेक्निक विच आई कॉल इट. सो आपको ब्रश में यू हैव टू टेक अ ड्राई ब्रश, उसमें थोड़ा सा कलर लेना है, अपने बेस के ऊपर अच्छे से इसको अप्लाई करना है. You don't have to cover the complete space so that आपका बेस का ब्लैक कलर भी दिखे, आपका ब्लू कलर भी दिखे, and then you can play around with the colors in that. So यहाँ पे just to add a little more drama, again I have a dry color, so I'm going to just add some water to it, and then I'm going to apply my green color also in the same way. So now it's time to play around with a different shade of chalk paint. If you want, you can use your metallic waxes also. So यहाँ पर मैं use कर रही हूँ मेरा chalk paint, and I'm just going to highlight few of the elements. Trust me, this looks absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and this is going to highlight your alphabet so nicely and so beautifully. आपको हर एक एरिया में नहीं करना है. You just need to take small patches and highlight the elements whichever you want to highlight. Now this is a very simple step. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप अपने brushes भी use कर सकते हैं. If you want, आप अपने finger से भी colors use कर सकते हैं. Like I said, you can even use your metallic chalk paints. You can even use your metallic waxes. They are going to look fab. Once I'm done with this, I am going to apply good 2 coats of varnish to this, and my teen jar will be ready. Do check out the picture at the end. You'll get a clear idea how exactly it looks after drying out, because on camera it is a little different. So this is how it looks, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. I will be more than happy to know. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and take care and bye bye.